Happy Friday, girlfriends. I'm in the kitchen making my wellness soup. I usually have this every day, either for lunch or for breakfast. Today it's breakfast because I'm in a hurry. So I'm going to put the ingredients together in a pot. I wanted to show you because some people have asked me what I use. This is a wasabi seaweed snack. I use it in a lot of my recipes now. You can also use it as a good spice. You can grind it up in your food processor with other spices. It's got a nice salty but not too salty taste to it, and it helps form the broth in your soups as well. I'm putting all of these ingredients together, and I will show you when it's on the stove and then present it, and then boom, we're done. So stay tuned. So as you can see, the soup is boiling. Oh, I forgot to tell you, these noodles that I use are actually some Asian ramen noodles. Let me show you them. They come in individual packs and they don't come with the flavor, so you can use it without wasting the packs. Those packs have so much in the regular ramen noodle packages are so full of sodium, it's ridiculous. So I don't buy them anymore. I just buy this. You let this come to a boil. I've added all the ingredients. It only takes a few minutes because these ramen noodles cook up really quick. And really quickly, here's the finished product. We've got your noodles, the wasabi seaweed. Oh, I added some red onion slices that I used last night in another meal. But this is a great immune booster for your system. I'm telling you, you will love it. The broth makes its own flavor because you're adding the rice wine vinegar, the soy sauce, the fish sauce, and you don't need anything else after that. I have this every morning or afternoon. And there you have it, my wellness soup. It helps to boost my immune system. I hope you like it. If you try it, please let me know. If you'd like to see other recipes like this, please let me know as well. Be safe, drink water, take your vitamins, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.